Hello everyone, so in this video I will be sharing with you a Zoom audition workshop class we did. And this section we are kind of chatting about being present in the moment. We speak about character and we talk about why meditation is such a strong, helpful tool for actors trying to stay present and in the moment. Let's do it.
It's funny because you obviously in your brain says you should be doing something, which is exactly what happens when we're in a scene. Our brain starts going, you need to do something. When in reality, most of the time we're in a scene, we're not really trying to do anything except for be present, and we're after some objective, we're after that thing. But the more that the mind starts boggling in and getting in the way of the body just doing what it's doing, the more you start having to act, the more your mentality starts telling you, oh, you're not showing enough of this, or you're not angry enough and it's not showing up enough. That's when we start kind of pulling away from ourselves and having to be character, and we start having to act more. That's when you're in the scene or you're sitting in class and you watch someone doing a scene and you start being able to see that they're having to push or do these extra things to make it entertaining. That's not our job. Our job is not to necessarily make it entertaining. Our job is just to be present and go after whatever the thing is that our human is after at the time. And I try to say human more than character, because I feel like the word character just automatically puts you in acting mode. I feel like the word performance tends to put us in acting mode. I tend to think that most of the words that we usually use within this acting world, if we're not talking about actual life, puts us in character mind frame. And when we're in character mind frame, we're not actually embodying it. We're just trying to decide what we think that character should do at moment to moment, which is acting, versus truthfully living in the moment to moment work. The more you can tap into that and let those things that you were feeling take over without your brain starting to chime in all the time, which is one of the reasons I like meditation. It allows me to kind of keep my focus. And you guys all know, if you've done scene work before, you have to be there and be present after something with the other human being that's in there. Otherwise, you're not going to catch everything. I always say a really good actor or actress, I should be able to feel what's going on with my back to you, because we're connected on a different level, right? Everyone's walked into a room and went, ooh, that guy's got a bad vibe. You felt that. You didn't see them do anything. They could have just been sitting in a coffee shop drinking coffee, and for whatever reason, you felt a bad vibration off of that human being. That's what I tend to tap into when it comes to our work and our scene work. Because I'm not in my head, I'm in my body, and I want something. I lose consciousness of the fact that it's character, or that character is trying to do anything, because it's mine now. It's me trying to do something. That gives me so much freedom, because now it does not matter what I do, it's character. I have complete freedom because I am that human being, versus I don't know if character would do it that way. Well, there's no character. There's only you in this moment after that thing, based on the given circumstances we've already taken into context, right? I'm not saying I jump into every role and say, no character, screw that. I do the preparation, I do the work, I allow all that stuff that character has going on in their life to affect me, but that's not what I take into the scene. All of that life lived affects me before I step foot on set. All that work is done before I've gotten into the scene work with the other actors on set. So now I can just allow myself to be the human being that I've allowed to kind of combine. I don't think it's like we create character and we create ourselves, and these are the two people, we jump back and forth. I tend to mesh. I want my human and this human to become one human. I'm not trying to create character and know that what all is different between me and that character, because then I'm truly separating myself. I'm truly telling myself that's not me. Versus, oh, I like Skittles, they like Skittles. Oh, they enjoy religion, I enjoy religion. I slowly kind of mesh those little bitty things that I can find in common to grow from that, versus splitting me apart from character and then having to rebuild everything.
Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And leave me some comments and questions down there. I started a new subscription service on Instagram as well. You're welcome to come join me there on @TheDeanWest. I have DW Acting Studio up as well, but I'm going to be doing some of the subscription service from @TheDeanWest, and we'll be having some deep discussions of all kinds of life, being that to me, acting is life, and it takes all that in. All right, see you on the next one.